Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to withdraw your money from Phemex. And before starting this video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is if you want to deposit or withdraw money from Phemex, you need to verify your account. I'm using right now, or not directly using, but I think I created more than 50 or 60 accounts on brokers, exchanges, and I'm not a huge fan with giving all the brokers my personal information, and that is why I didn't verify my account right here on Phemex. But I can show you in this video the place where you need to be to withdraw your money, because you also need to do a 2FA right there, and then after that you can withdraw your money. So what we're going to do is we go right here to our total asset option, and if we are right here on the mock trading option or the chart, you can do that simply by going right here. Oh, sorry, not this one, but click on start live trading and then go right here to the total assets where you can click on withdrawal, and then he will send us right here to this page. Then what they're telling us to do exactly right here. So if you don't have any idea, here are the steps. So this is exactly what you need to do. And they also want to complete the following steps before withdrawing. You need to enable 2FA with a Google Authenticator, and you need to deposit your money right here. But once you did all those two steps, you can withdraw your money and then just fill in the amount and the currency, or let's say the USDD that you want to withdraw. Then fill in right there your wallet address that you need to send it to. So let's say I want to send it to my Bitfavo wallet. Then fill in that wallet address very carefully right there. And then after that, you can send it to that wallet. But please take your attention with filling in that wallet address, because if you make a mistake right there, you send your money to someone else. So please be careful with that. So I can show you exactly in all the details how to do it. So sorry for that, but this is the place where you need to be. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know a little bit what you need to do. Sorry for that, but I want to thank you for clicking on this video and watch this video. So have a wonderful day and ciao.